Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to dive into. The world of machine learning platforms. If you've ever wondered about the incredible advancements in this field, you're in for a treat. First up, we have Databricks Machine Learning, the cutting-edge platform that's picking the tech world by storm. Think having the power to harness the full potential of your data. With Databricks, you seamlessly integrate your information and build powerful machine learning models, making your data work for you. Now, let's blab about GCP Simple Machine Learning. Google Cloud's platform is an unconditioned game-changer in the earthly concern of ML. It offers a widely range of tools and resources for data scientists and developers to create and deploy simple machine learning models effortlessly. But hold on, the innovation doesn't stop there. Databricks MLOps takes your simple machine learning operations to the incoming level. It streamlines the entire ML lifecycle, from model undefined to undefined and monitoring, ensuring efficiency and reliability. Now, let's babble about the Google Machine Learning Platform. It's like having a toolbox filled with AI superpowers. Whether it's cancel language processing or information processing system vision, Google's got you covered. The possibilities are endless. And for those of you who lust simplicity in the complex world of ML, MLOps Databricks has you covered. It's all about making MLOps soft and accessible. No more headaches, simply efficient machine learning at your fingertips. Low-code machine learning, anyone? It's a game changer for those who want to dive into ML without undefined coding. With low-code platforms, you create impressive machine learning solutions with tokenish programming skills. But don't worry, if you're on the Google Cloud journey, MLOps Google Cloud is here to support you. It streamlines ML workflows on Google Cloud, ensuring that you get the most out of their mighty milliliter resources. And speaking of Google, let's not forget the Google ML platform. No-code machine learning weapons platform, a undefined come true for those who require to build ML models without writing a single line of code. And finally, we've got Databricks Trench Learning. Are you ready to explore the depths of AI? This is where you dive into the world of neural networks and push the boundaries of what's possible with simple machine learning. So, there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour of the incredible machine learning platforms that are shaping the future of tech. Whether you're a seasoned data scientist or a curious beginner, there's a platform for you. The world of simple machine learning is at your fingertips. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't leave to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and environ the notification bell so you never come out of the closet on our latest tech adventures. Thanks for connecting us today on this fantastic travel through machine learning platforms. Until next time, stay put curious and keep exploring the endless possibilities of tech. See you soon.